The hands, weathered by time, gently turn the fragile pages of a vintage stamp album. Each stamp, a window to a distant land, a whisper from a bygone era. What if you could take your love for stamps, your cherished memories, and turn them into a legacy that inspires the next generation? In this video, we'll embark on a journey to rediscover the magic of stamp collecting, a journey that transcends generations. We'll show you how to pass on this timeless art to your grandchildren, blending tradition with modern tools to keep this legacy alive for years to come. In a world dominated by instant gratification, stamp collecting might seem like a relic of the past. But I assure you, it is so much more than just a hobby. Each stamp is a tiny work of art, meticulously designed, a miniature portal to the history, culture, and natural wonders of our planet. By sharing this passion with younger generations, you're passing on stories, lessons, and memories that connect them to the wider world and to their own family history. These small, adhesive squares hold within them the echoes of empires, the stories of scientific discoveries, the faces of heroes and pioneers. But in our fast-paced world, how do you ignite that same spark of curiosity in the next generation? How do you make these miniature masterpieces relevant to young minds accustomed to a digital world? Stick around, because we'll share some simple steps to capture their imagination and make stamp collecting an exciting adventure for young explorers. Children are natural storytellers and even more eager listeners. Begin by inviting your grandchildren to explore the world within your stamp albums. But don't just show them the stamps. Tell them the stories behind them. Share the adventures, the history, and the personal connections that make these stamps special. This stamp, with its faded image of a majestic lion, might have journeyed across continents, carrying news from a far-off relative. That one, depicting a groundbreaking invention, reflects the ingenuity of humankind. This stamp, you might say, pointing to a faded piece of history, came from a letter your great-grandfather sent during the war. It's a reminder of the sacrifices our family made and the values we hold dear. Sharing these personal anecdotes brings history to life and makes the stamps more than just colorful squares. It weaves a tapestry of connection, linking past, present, and future generations through shared stories. This is the first step to capturing their interest. But what's next? Let's explore how to build a foundation for their own collection, a collection that will become a treasure chest of their own memories. Now that we've ignited their curiosity, let's fuel their passion. Imagine the delight in a child's eyes when you present them with a gift, a treasure chest waiting to be unlocked. That's the magic you create with a stamp collecting starter kit. This isn't just about giving them stamps, it's about giving them the tools to embark on their own philatelic adventure. Include a few unique stamps, each one a conversation starter. Perhaps a stamp featuring a magnificent tiger for the budding wildlife enthusiast, a celestial scene for the child fascinated by space, or the face of a sporting legend for the young athlete. Tweezers are essential, delicate instruments that teach respect for these miniature artifacts.